So I'll be unboxing the R.A.T 9 gaming mouse for PC as it states here. Well, apparently there's no software for the Mac, so too bad for you. So it says wireless right here, 2.4 GHz, zero latency, and in other languages. Yeah, here's a picture of the mouse, and here's the Engadget review, and Cyborg logo. Ooh. So pretty much the same as the R.A.T 7. Up here, same points, except for wireless. So on the side there's this robotic rat thingy again, and in the back it's pretty similar to the R.A.T 7. So opening it up, here's the receiver set, which I'll explain later, maybe in the review. And here's the mouse, explaining how it can be adjusted. And it is 42 grams of removable weights. This rat looks really weird right here. So let's get this opened up. So I got this last R.A.T 9 in Canada, I'm pretty sure. And it's an open box. So I hope there's nothing wrong with it, because they said the person just didn't like it. Yeah, well, as you can see here, it's being opened. Why? See how this is extended? Not supposed to. So let's get this out. It's whoa, it's just look here. He actually put this back. That's cool. I didn't bother to do that when I returned my R.A.T 7. So here's the mouse itself. Pretty light. Ooh, lots of non-existent weight inside. So I'll be putting some weights inside. It's pretty light without any weights. I don't know why everyone thinks it's heavy. So where's the battery pack? So the battery pack has been taken out, so it's not there anymore. And as you can see, there's no wire. Shuma looks at the mouse. Yeah, if you want to see the accessories, keep watching. I should have done the accessories first, but I was more interested in the R.A.T. Sticking out, here's this package with driver CD, and apparently the instruction manuals are in here too. I don't think they're supposed to be in there. When I got my R.A.T 7, they weren't in there. So here's a product catalog. Quick start guide. Configuring your Cyborg software. That's not for Macs. And here's warranty booklet. So inside the box, there's the receiver. So this will be have to, ooh, look at that. That looks pretty cool, except for the fingerprint that was there. There, fingerprint free. Still there. So here's the receiver. The weights go in here, and the extra battery goes in here. So it charges while it's in there. Soft feet. And the cord. So this will have to stay on your desk. Oh, getting this. Smells nice. I like the smell of the foam. Yes. So as you can see, the guy put in the pinky rest in wrong. It's supposed to be put in like this. Instead, he put it in like that. or something. I don't remember. So he put this one in wrong too. Actually, he didn't put it in wrong. It's supposed to go in all the way, like that. So when you open up the box, it's supposed to look like this. Minus the weights. Weights are supposed to be in the mouse. So the weight cartridge thing, pretty heavy. Each one is 8 grams, I think. Can't really see it right now. Yeah, so here are the palm rests, rubber grip, and that's the extra height, rubber grip, pinky ring. I like the pinky ring. So that's pretty much it. A few more looks at this mouse. I have to show you guys the battery. Where did the battery go? So battery are hidden in here, one in each slot. Ooh, pretty heavy. So since it's a gaming mouse, the batteries won't last long, and it's only this big. Focus. Focus there. So it says R.A.T 9 in the back. And there are 2 of them. One's red and one's white, gray, silver, whatever. So basically you just pop this in like that. And that's it. See, it looks pretty cool from here. So I'll explain a bit of this. The back, you unscrew this, and that's the universal tool. You can use this to remove the pinky rest or adjust the length where this is, or loosen this in here and move it out or inwards. Press down this to adjust the height, the length. There. So to take the battery out, you just pull it out. Simple. So the receiver will look like this. There. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Meh, it's not there. Thank you. So, opening the box up. There's no R.A.T. The R.A.T escaped. Gasp, gasp.